What up? So, I'm Adam Kappa. I'm a worship leader from Richmond, Indiana. I'm on the Sound of the Light tour. It's gonna be sick. It's cold here. Hopefully warm where you guys are at. And I'm excited. I'm excited to be here. This tour's gonna be rad. But we're playing tonight, so come on. Come on, let's go. Come on.
Throw that.
Yeah, we'll use that one.
Maybe
Yeah.
hug each
Are we
other.
going?
Yeah.
Hi. We're the music room. We make music in a room. I'm not even in the band and I'm talking.
But you're coming to their city, so
Yeah, we're coming to your city.
Whether or not you're in the band, you're gonna be
If
there.
you have a party that you need a Jack Black look-like, he's very reasonable in his pricing.
Yeah, totally. Yeah.
Am I introducing myself? Okay. Okay.
So, I'm Jerome. Love. I am going to be actually behind that camera most of the time during this whole tour. But I'm from here in Sacramento, not Auburn, even though we're in Auburn. But we'll be photographing, videographing, saying hello, and I'm stoked to come to your town, wherever that is. I'm pretty excited to see Niagara Falls, so if you're up in Canada, I'm stoked to see you more than anybody actually, because I've never been there. But woohoo!
One more time, say we're on tour.
We're on tour.
Say, we're in a bus.
We're in a bus.
And we're coming to your city.
We're coming to your city.
Oh, you're so great. No. Hey, Jesse can't wait to come to your city.
Yeah.
And I'm going with him, so I'll be there too. And Amy's excited.
Woohoo!
And Nick's married to Amy, so he's gonna be there too.
We should bring
So
our
we're
kid.
all going to your
Yeah.
city.
And our kid's coming too.
Yeah.
He's really
2.5.
excited.
So bring all your friends and your loved ones.
And your
Actually, your
parents.
enemies too. Bring your
Yes.
friends and your enemies.
And your children.
Yeah. Your closest third aunt.
If
Bring
you've
it.
got pets that are seeing iPets, bring them.
If they have money for a CD.
Let's get out of here. You guys are about to get hit.
Yo, I'm Stephen Cooper. You guys know me as a lyricist. And I am so excited to be coming to your city with all these guys, all these random people. 9 people total coming to each and every one of your towns. We're gonna have so much fun, do a great show, but you guys need to come out, bring as many people as you can, pack the house, come rock with us. We just wanted to give you guys an idea of who we are, show everyone who's gonna be there before you actually meet them face to face. So come out, hang with us, we're cool people. Yo, love ya.